Now I am going to show you the procedure how to construct a square with the AB as a side. Here this is the given side AB with the length of the side as AB. We have to construct a square on this. So for that, first what I do, I take the set of compasses and then I take A as center and I draw an arc like this. I draw an arc in this manner. So after drawing this arc, then with this point as center, and you can increase this radius, draw one more arc like this with the same radius and with this point as center. See here, this AB, just I produce a little bit so that it will coincide with this previous arc here. So with that point as center, so with this point as center, I am drawing another arc like this. So what I did in the beginning with the A as center, I constructed this. Then with this point, I drew one arc like this, and with this point as center, I have drawn another arc. They are meeting here. So now I join this A with this point of intersection. Here is the point of intersection that I join with A, and I produce a little bit like this. Afterwards, I take A as center and I set up this set of compasses to the radius AB. So this is at A and this other edge is at B. With this radius, I am taking A as center. I am cutting this perpendicular line which I constructed already. And with this point of intersection, I am calling it as, since it is A and this is B, I get C here and this I call as D. So now I take D as center. With this D as center, I draw an arc. So I have to put like this. So I am drawing an arc like this, and again with B as center, I am drawing one more arc with the same radius. These two are intersecting at C. Now if I join BC and CD, I am going to join CD now. I get a square, beautiful square ABCD. If you measure the length of these squares, that will be exactly AB is equal to BC and CD and DA. All the four sides are equal, and also all the four angles are 90 degrees each. In this way, we construct the square on the given side. But here, this construction is not completed. He is asking one more question. Using this square, construct a perpendicular bisector of the side BC of the square ABCD. So this is the BC. For constructing the perpendicular bisector of BC, what I do, I take this BC. Now I put at B the center and more than half of BC. This is full, this is half. So it should be more than half and less than full. So I am taking like this. Draw one arc this side and this side. Like this you have to draw. And afterwards, this time you take C as center, draw the previous two arcs like this with the same radius. So I'm cutting the previous two arcs. Now I got the point of intersections here, 1 and 2. If I join these two, then I get the perpendicular bisector. That means this is the perpendicular to this BC, and also this is the middle point of BC. That's why this is the bisector. So perpendicular bisector of BC, in this way we construct. Whether it is BC or AB or AD or DC, for any side, we do the same procedure. Since they are asking only one perpendicular bisector, I have constructed only for BC. In this way you have to do this construction. Next, if you turn your study guide, this side, I have another construction now. This is equilateral triangle with AB as a side. So what I do, I put at A this point and the pencil edge at B. That means I am trying to take the radius as AB, the given side of the equilateral triangle. So with A as center, draw an arc like this, and with B as center, draw another arc like this. Both the arcs are meeting. Since it is AB, this is C. If I join this is C with A and B with the C, then I get triangle ABC as equilateral triangle. The problem is not completed. He is asking construct a 30 degrees angle with its vertex at B. So actually, since it is equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal, all the three angles also equal. Each angle is 60 degrees, because if the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180, and if all the three angles are equal, definitely they must be 60, 60 and 60, then only their sum is 180. So if it is 60, when I construct the angle bisector, automatically I will get 30 and 30. Since he is asking us to construct a 30 degrees angle with the vertex at B, what I do, I take A as center like this, and then I draw one arc like this. One arc you have to draw. That is angle bisector I am constructing for angle B. After taking this, I take this point this time as center, draw one arc like this, and with this point as center, draw one more arc like this. These two arcs are meeting at this point. I am going to join this B and that intersection point. Now I got, this is the, if I call this as some BE. So BE is the angle bisector of angle B, and this bisector is making this angle as 30 degrees here, and this is also 30 degrees. So in this way we construct a 30 degrees angle at the vertex B. In this way you have to complete this construction. And if you see the last and final question here,